You work, you get paid, you pay your bills. Maybe you even save a little. And somehow, you're still broke. Not broke like can't eat. Broke like, where the hell did my paycheck go? Broke like, I make decent money. I should be further ahead than this. If that feeling sounds familiar, this channel is for you. Here's what most of us were never told growing up. Nobody sat you down and said, hey, here's how money actually works. Nobody explained what really happens when you carry a credit card balance. Nobody told you why saving $100 a month in a checking account isn't really saving. Nobody explained compound interest, not the textbook version, the real version. The one that works against you when you have debt and works for you when you finally invest. So, most of us learned the hard way. We worked exhausting hours. We said yes to overtime. We told ourselves, if I just make a little more, things will get better. And then they didn't, because income alone doesn't build wealth. How you manage what you earn, that's what actually changes your life. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Plenty of people earn 6 figures and are still financially screwed. My name is Naomi. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a guru. I'm not here to sell you a course or push an ebook. I study money. I study why smart people make bad financial decisions. I study the systems that keep people stuck and the simple moves that actually get people out. And I explain all of it in simple words, with real numbers. Small numbers, numbers that actually make sense, not million-dollar hypotheticals. We're talking $50 decisions, $200 moves, $500 steps, because that's where real life happens. That's where I started. So what is this channel really about? We're going to talk about where to put your money when you finally have some left over. We're going to talk about emergency funds, what they actually are, what they're not, and how to build one without feeling deprived. We'll break down money traps that looks normal but quietly drain you. Buy now, pay later. Store credit cards, lifestyle inflation. And yes, we're going to talk about investing without jargon, without hype, without making your brain shut down, just what it means, how it works, and what $100 can actually do over time. And we're going to talk about the long game. Because wealth isn't built fast, it's built quietly through small decisions that compound. I want to say this clearly. If you've made financial mistakes, you are not the problem. You were never shown the full picture. Most schools don't teach this. Most parents didn't know it either. And most financial content online is either confusing, preachy, or trying to sell you something. So you tuned it out. Of course you did. You're not bad with money. You just needed someone to explain it in a way that actually made sense. That changes here. This channel is not about getting rich quick. Anyone promising that is lying to you. This is about clarity, knowing exactly what's happening with your money. This is about control, making intentional choices instead of reacting every month. And this is about confidence, feeling like money is something you understand, not something that controls you. That's it. That's the whole channel. The people who build wealth aren't always the ones who earn the most. They're the ones who finally got honest about where their money was going. Let's start there. If this felt like someone finally explaining money in plain English, subscribe. I post regularly. Every video is practical. Every video is honest. No fluff, no fake energy, just real information you can actually use. I'll see you in the next one.